Okay, so that's the guitar solo from Aqualung. We're going to start out with this thing here. So the 7 is a pickup note here, and the new measure starts on the 6, so it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so just one pickup note. We got 7 on the G, 6, and then 8 to 10 on the B. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold that a whole measure, then we have. So that's 3rd fret G string, 2, 3, 2, 3 to 3 going down there. And then we're gonna have. So 3, 5 in the A, 3, 5 on the D, and then hit the 5 again, go to the 7. So this whole thing is. And then we're gonna go. So that was 3, 3 again. Quick slide 5 to 7. 5 on the D, 5 on the G, 3 on the G. So it's. Okay, then we're going to get into a little C minor shape, 3, 4, 5 coming down. Kind of hit the 3, 4 quick, and then a little bit later hit the 5. Then same timing with 3, 3, 3 of a G minor. And then we have. Okay, so this measure is 3, 5, and then D string, 3, 5, slide to 7. 3 5s on the G, so it's. Okay, then the next measure goes. So 5 on the G, 7 on the D. Slow and then faster with a 5 5, and definitely download the free tabs on this one. So now the next measure is going to go. So we got quick one here, 7 to 5 pull off. 7 on the D, back to the 5, so 5 7, 6 on the second. Bend that 8 up. So let's look at everything again. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Five, 7 to 6, 8 bend. Bring it down and go to the 6. 5 7, kind of slide that 7 down. We're going to be on this 5, this G note here. So it's. So we got a 5, and then 3, 5 on the G, 3 on the D, and we got 5th fret on the A string with a quick 5 to 3 on the D there. And that one holds into the new measure. 5 3 3 da da do da do. Okay, so one more time on the top we got. Okay, then we have 3 and then 5 to 7. Let it come on back. Those are kind of staggered. It's an interesting timing there. So that was, 7 and down to 5 to 3 and then 5 on the D string. So we got. So that was a 3 on the D. 3, 5, 3 to 1 on the A string. 1 to 3 on the E. And then we're coming back up. So that one is like. Okay, so it's 1 3 1 3 5 3 and then hammer 3 to 5. Okay, so this is a great riff. Dum da da dum. Hit hit 3 quick ones after the first one. 5, 3, 5, and then bend the 5. So we're gonna have. Okay, so we had 1, and then 3, pull off, back to the 3, 5 on the A string there. So we got. 3, 5, 3, 3, 5, 3 to 3 over here. So we got. 5, 3, 3 on the D, 5 on the A. 3, 5 on the D, 3, 5, slide into 7. Hit that 6 underneath it, kind of let them be a chord a little bit. To the 6, and then 5 on the G, 8 on the second string, 7 on the G. So it's. And then we have another one of these. And now this one we're going to go 5, 7, 6, 7. This is kind of a weird one. You go 6, pull off, 8 to 6. Hit the 6 again, go to a 5 here. So it's. Okay, kind of a weird one then. 7, 5, 5, pull off. 5, 7. Then we got this tricky one. This is the one where I'll keep this 8 down here with the 6 because we got to go real quick. 8, 6, 7, 5, 7. So on that one, I'm going to keep that fingering in the same position there. Okay, so tricky stuff. And then we go 5, 7, 5, 7, and kind of slide down. Kind of slide into the 5 on the D, 3, 5 on the G. Bend that 5 up and down. Bend it again, go to the 3. 3, 3, 5, 3 on the D. To that 5 on the A. We got 3, kind of a power chord thing. 3, 5, 5, 3, 5. Another one of these 3, 5 into 7, 6, 8 to 7 here. And then we're going to go slower. We're going to go. So 6, 8, 6, 10, 8, little 10. And then we go. So staccato on the 8. 6, 8. So we have the 8, 6, 8, 6. So we go 8, 6, and then 6. Twice, and then 6 to 8 on the second. We have a 6 here on the second. 7, 6, 5. So it's like, those are quick like a triplet. And then this is another triplet. Just that first part. So we have 5, 3 to 5. 3 to 5 on the A. D string back. 3, 5. 3. So da, dee, da, boom. And then we have that same riff again. But this time we're going to go 5, 7, 7, 6, 8, slide into the 10. So it's like. The last thing is we come up here to the 13 on the second, 13, 15, 13 on the first string. So it's like 3 times of the same riff and on that 15th fret of the second string. Kind of slide it down. So I'm going to do the whole thing again real slow. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. right, now we'll try one fast. 1, 2, 3, 4.